All right, guys, it's your boy S4 Jeans. And I had an odd request on one of the messages I got. It's not really an odd request, but I mean, I guess you guys want to see me do unboxings. It just so happened to be like a jump box unboxing, like which one do I use? And I'm gonna be honest with you, I usually buy the one out of Harbor Freight, but I decided to see what these small ones are like. It's called the Nuskin Jump Starter and Power Bank. And to be honest, let me show you guys. This right here. I'll put the link in the channel, of course, on the description. It's like 60 bucks. Works up to 7 liters and then 5.5 diesel motors. We're actually gonna do this on my A4 because I haven't started my A4 in God knows how long, I'm gonna be honest with you. So yeah, let's get to that. On top of that, what's kind of cool about this thing is that I can read like little you can read voltage and whatnot. What the hell? Almost slipped in the damn car. But anyway, let's get to it. All right, pull this thing up. What we got here? Positive, negative. Okay. A little core charger. Power bank itself, it's not that big. Got a flashlight on it too. Yeah. Turned it on. Let's see, let me I'll plug everything in that. Oh, okay. So there's a little USB slots right here. Just like that. I'm not gonna put that in right now. I'm gonna put in this. So let's plug these in. Okay. All right, well, it's in. All right, let's take a journey. Oh, camera. Take a journey real quick. Gotta start up my sled. Love how I'm still missing the... God damn. Struggle bus here. All right. Let's see, can I sit you guys like right? Can I sit you guys like right here? Maybe I can sit you like right here. Yeah. All right. Oh no! Anywhere to try to prop you guys like right now, like is. All right, that works. We'll take it. So let's go. Negative. Come on, get on there. Here we go. All right. One. And then let's go over here. Okay. Oh, it reads voltage on it too. This is cool. All right, cool. So there we go. You guys can't really see, but it reads voltage right here. Numbers are probably flickering, but yeah. Let's give her a start. Probably be great to know where I put my keys at, right? Don't mind turning the seat, man. Typical Audi problems. Ah, keys right here. Okay, cool. Starts right up. Works for me. 60 bucks. Can't beat it. I'll drop the link in the description where I got it from. But I mean, hey, it charges your phone too. It has a flashlight. For 60 bucks, you can't beat it. Actually, I think it's on sale. It wasn't 60. It was like 40 bucks. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like right up here, right around here. And then, yeah. I'll try to do more unboxing of stuff that are useful for cars. Besides, you know, you guys get the Audi content, some of the reviews and all that stuff. I guess we're gonna start doing unboxing now for car parts or stuff like that. What we do, like what will be good for anything else. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.